Hey guys, happy Saturday. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a traditional Cuban dessert. This is a really popular dessert. It's really old school and it's called dulce de toronja or casco de toronja. And it's basically an easy dessert to make, so let's get started. Hola mis cariños, les voy a enseñar cómo hacer dulce de toronja o casco de toronja. Es muy sencillo para hacer. Vamos a empezar. For the ingredients, you're going to need 2 large grapefruits, 5 cups of water, 1 cup of sugar, 2 anise stars, 1 cinnamon stick, and a few cloves. Para los ingredientes, necesitamos son 2 toronjas, 5 tazas de agua, 1 taza de azúcar, 2 estrellas de anise, una ramita de canela, y clavos. So the first thing you want to do is wash your grapefruit, and then you want to peel it. You want to use a knife or a potato peeler. So for a disclaimer, I would like to tell you that the grapefruit is really tough, and if you use a knife, you have to be really careful because you can cut your hand. Lo primer paso es lavar y pelar los toronjas. Córtalas con cuidado y quita la polpa y coloque los cascos de toronja en un recipiente grande con agua. So the next thing is to cut your fruit into sections, and then you're going to remove the white part of the grapefruit, which is the rind, and you're going to put them in a large bowl with some water. Next, you want to add some water to your bowl, and you want to soak your grapefruit rind overnight, preferably. But if you can't soak it overnight, then soak it for at least 12 hours. Remojo las cáscaras durante al menos 12 horas o toda la noche. The next day, you're going to pour off the water, and then you're going to add the rind into a pot, and you're going to add enough water to cover them. And you want to boil these for about 15 minutes, and you're going to do this 3 times. So you're going to do this a total of 45 minutes. And this is to remove the bitterness from the rind. En la mañana, tira agua y ponga las cáscaras en una olla grande con agua y hervir las cáscaras durante 15 minutos 3 veces. After your third boil, you're going to pour off the water. Then you're going to remove the grapefruit rind. You're going to set it aside. You're going to use another pot. Add 5 cups of water. You're going to add all your spices. You're going to add the 1 cup of sugar. And you're going to let it boil until the sugar and water turns into a syrup. Cuando usted ha cocido la cáscara 3 veces, usa otra olla y añada 5 tazas de agua, especias y azúcar. Hervir el agua hasta que tenga un almíbar grueso. Ok, ahora le puse mis especias lavadas. Me gusta lavar mis especias porque he estado en la botella un rato. Before I add my spices to my pot, I like to rinse off the cinnamon sticks, the anise star, and the cloves because they've been sitting in a jar for a while. Once the water starts to boil, then you can add in your grapefruit rind. Después de 10 minutos, puede poner las cáscaras en la olla. So you want to boil this for at least 25 minutes or until you see your water changing into a thick syrup. So periodically you're going to test your water to see if it's becoming syrupy. Hervir el agua durante 20 minutos o hasta que el agua se convierta en un almíbar grueso. This dessert takes a little patience to make, but is well worth it at the end. Next, I'm adding in my vanilla, and I'm adding about a capful or a teaspoon. Al último, añadiendo una cucharadita de vanilla. And the one ingredient beside the grapefruit rind that is a must in this dessert, to me, is the anise star. It gives this dessert a unique flavor, and without it, it's like something is missing. So please try not to skip out on adding this anise star to this dessert. Además, el ingrediente más importante, el pomelo, es la estrella anise. Le da al postre un sabor único. So it's been about 25 minutes, and now I'm going to test my syrup again to see if it's ready. I'm going to use a spoon to check it. And if you notice, it has like a nice shine on the spoon. So that pretty much tells you that your syrup is ready because it's nice and thick and it's not running off the spoon. Una vez que el almíbar sea reducido, puede usar una cuchara para probarlo para ver si es grueso. Bueno, mis cariños, aquí tiene mi rico dulce de toronja. Como pueden ver, el almíbar es muy espeso y suavecito. And now I get to pour all of this deliciousness over top. And for those of you that don't like grapefruit, just to let you know, this doesn't taste like grapefruit because we have went through a few steps to remove the bitterness from the rind. Okay, so now I'm going to test it. Voy a probarlo. Es simplemente delicioso. This is simply delicious, and I hope you guys try this recipe. Bueno, mis cariños, es hora para irme. Si te gusta este video, dale un like y deja un comentario. Y si quiere ver más videos como este, suscríbete a mi canal y haz la campana para no perderte mis videos. Hasta la próxima. Nos vemos. Well, my friends, it's time for me to go, but I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Follow me on Facebook at my Facebook group called Cooking the Cuban Way. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.